Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Ready to create an absolutely delicious vegan stew peas that's bursting with flavor? This incredible Caribbean-inspired dish is packed with hearty plant-based protein and wonderfully aromatic spices. It's a truly comforting meal, perfect for a cozy evening or a satisfying weekend lunch. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to bring these authentic tastes right into your kitchen, providing a healthy and incredibly satisfying option for everyone at your table. The heart of any fantastic vegan stew peas begins with a few simple yet powerful ingredients from your pantry. You'll definitely want dried kidney beans as your base, alongside fragrant herbs like fresh thyme, and crucially, a Scotch bonnet pepper for that authentic, fiery kick. Don't forget vibrant fresh vegetables such as sweet carrots and colorful bell peppers, which add wonderful texture and a beautiful burst of color to our stew. These components come together to create something truly special. Properly preparing your kidney beans is absolutely the key to achieving that perfectly tender, melt-in-your-mouth texture in your stew. Start by soaking those dried beans overnight, or if you're in a rush, use a quick soak method to get them ready. Once softened, gently simmer them until they're just tender, but still beautifully hold their shape. This step forms the essential foundation of your entire dish, ensuring every spoonful is exactly as it should be, perfectly soft and ready to absorb all the wonderful flavors. Building truly deep, complex flavors is absolutely crucial for an authentic vegan stew peas experience that you'll crave again and again. Begin by sautéing your aromatics like finely diced onion, fresh garlic, and grated ginger until they become wonderfully fragrant, creating a savory foundation. Next, introduce key spices like ground allspice and a hint of pimento, alongside a dash of browning sauce, for that signature, rich Caribbean depth. These layers ensure every bite is bursting with traditional taste and warmth. Now, let your stew peas gently simmer, allowing all those incredible flavors to beautifully meld and deepen over time. This is where the magic truly happens, as every ingredient infuses the broth. Incorporate rich coconut milk for a wonderfully creamy texture and a delightful touch of sweetness that perfectly balances all the aromatic spices. Serve your absolutely delicious vegan stew peas hot, ideally alongside fluffy white rice or soft, homemade dumplings for a truly complete and incredibly satisfying meal that everyone will adore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.